Okay, so here are our bats. This is how it comes packaged in a bag. Open it up. So the material is a shiny material. It's not paper by any means. And you can see, I don't know if you can see, let's see, you can see this is where you're going to fold it to make it 3D. So let's give it a try. There you go, folded it. So we folded it, and there's your 3D bat. Pretty cool. It comes with the stickers. And the stickers are very tiny. So the outside edge you don't use. So I'm going to take one of these off. They're very tiny. And it came right off. There's the sticky part. I'm going to put it on the bat. Just like that. And then peel off the other part. And there you go. So this is the larger bat. And it works the same way. Here's where you're going to fold it. Just fold it. And I'm wondering if they have bigger stickers. Yes, here are some bigger stickers for the larger bats. Not by much. They're just more square than they are the rectangle. Here's what you were supposed to get in your package. 10 pieces of the large, and 20 pieces of the smaller size, 50 of the next smaller, and 42 of the very mini ones. Okay, so I hung a couple of them up. This is the small one. This is the extra large. Seems to be sticking fairly well. I only used one sticker tab per bat. And it feels pretty good. Yeah, pretty certain that they're going to stay there. And hopefully I'll get to do around my whole door.